Hey there, okay, I have a great workout for you. It's only 20 minutes. That includes a warm-up and a cool down. It's amazing. You don't need a lot of space. I'm gonna do it right here in my front yard. So go ahead, press pause, go grab some water, get some workout clothes on, and let's get to it. Okay, here we go with our warm-up. Super simple. We're just gonna do a few moves, just follow along with me. So putting down a mat or maybe a pillow, we're gonna get down on one knee, nice and tall, right? Really tall through the spine. And then we're just gonna gently push forward just a little bit, just to kind of open up that hip. Nice big breath. Exhale, push a little bit farther. Relax those shoulders down. Here we go, one more time, big breath. Exhale, push forward. Feel that hip opening up. Good, let's take it back. Other side. Come on, get in here with me, guys. Nice and tall, really important, through the spine and pushing forward through the hips. If this causes your knee any pain, skip it. Here we go, big inhale, exhale, pushing forward. Good job, one more time, big inhale. And as we exhale, pushing forward. Good job. Let's take it back, good. So we're gonna put one foot forward. And again, let me kind of get to the side here. Kind of like a little deep lunge, but we have our knee down. We're gonna put our hands down on the ground, and I'm just gonna move my hips side to side. And again, we're just really focusing on preparing our joints for our workout, okay? So just kind of rocking side to side here. Good job. Let's take it to the other side. Just bring those hips forward and rocking the hips side to side. Point of a warm-up is to prepare your joints for the workout, okay? So that's what we're doing here. Good job. All right, now I'm gonna show you this one from the side. So you can start on all fours. We're just gonna step one foot back and bring the other foot forward so I have my foot right under my knee, right? I'm gonna lift that back knee up, and then I'm gonna plant my right hand on the ground, and I'm gonna turn towards my left leg. Looking up at the sky if you can, or your ceiling, wherever you are. Good, put that hand down. I'm gonna step back to a plank. Get my footing and other side opening up. Really important to rotate through that mid-back as we get ready for our workout. Breathing here, guys. Good job. Coming back. Let's take it down to all fours. And we're just gonna step back to a downward facing dog. So your fingers are nice and wide spread. Pushing those hips back and breathing. Now we're just gonna walk our hands to our feet and then walk back out to downward facing dog. Let's rock it forward to a plank and back to downward facing dog and walking those hands in. One more time, walk out. Forward to plank, and back to downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, let's go ahead and bend those knees. Shins are parallel to the mat. Downward facing dog. Two more times. Last time. Good job. Let's walk the feet in. Coming to standing up. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do some butt kicks. This is just gonna kind of get those quads nice and ready. Stretch out the hips. If you wanna keep it here, that's great. If you wanna get that heart rate up a bit, let's start running it. Jump in with me here, guys, come on. Come on, 5 more seconds. Good job. Okay, last thing we're gonna do, alternating reverse lunges with an overhead reach. So I'm just gonna step back, reach the arms up. Reach the arms up. When I'm stepping back, I'm having two 90-degree angles with the knees. Come on. Don't leave me hanging. Let's do this. Just a couple more and then we'll get ready for some fun. All right, good job. Here we go. That's our warm up. Feeling good, nice and limber. Let's get into the workout. All right, you ready to rock this workout? This is gonna be awesome. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 5 exercises, but we're gonna do each exercise back to back, because that's when you don't have equipment, you gotta really fatigue your muscles. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna be setting the timer. We're gonna go 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, okay? Just come on, just join with me. First, we're gonna start with a star plank, okay? And again, if any of this doesn't feel right, don't do it. Okay, so here we go. Let's get that timer up and running. And bam, here we go. So we're gonna get into a regular plank. We're gonna walk our feet out wide and our hands out wide, kind of like if you were a star. And you're just gonna hold here, okay? Just hold. Make sure that your hips are not sagging. Make sure you're not way up in the air, okay? Nice, level back. Feel that workout in the core, right? That's where we should be feeling this, right in our midsection. Check the time. All right. Keep it going. We have 10 minutes on the clock total, okay? We're gonna rock through this. It's gonna be awesome. You're gonna feel great. We're almost there. Nice and wide. Should almost feel like you're about to collapse, but you're holding yourself up because you are awesome. Let's keep it up. Good job. And relax. Sorry, we went a little bit long, but hey, we just started. It's okay, we have that energy right now. And listen, we want to start with core because it's our powerhouse, so I like to start with core. Let's go again. Start in plank, walk your feet out, walk your hands out. You're a star, baby, you're a star. You know you are. Breathing. Nice and strong, right? We need a strong core. It's the center of everything. We need it. Breathing. Keep that tummy tight. Brace yourself like if you were going to get a punch in the stomach. That's what you should be doing here. Where are we at time-wise? You're looking at 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and done. Nice job. Okay, next exercise. We're going to be jumping our feet out to a plank. We're gonna do drive the knee, jump back in. I know, just do it with me. All right, it's time to go. Jump the feet out, bring a knee up, bring a knee up. Jump your feet back in nice and wide to protect the knees and stand up from the side. Come on, do it with me. Drive that knee, jump out wide. Whoops, stand up, technical difficulties. Here we go, let's speed it up. Here we go. Jump your feet out wide. If you need to modify, you can always just stay here. Just keep alternating here. Let's go. We have 10 more seconds, come on. Last one. Good job, take a breath. We're gonna do that again. Now that you know what you're doing, let's really get after it. Big breath. 5 seconds, we're gonna do that one more time. You got this. Come on, make me proud. Make me proud. Here we go. Jump it out. Drive the knee, drive the knee. Wide jump in. Drive. You gotta get that heart rate up, come on. This is fun, right? Almost there, let's go. Let's have a couple more. Come on, stay with me. Whew. Good job. Breathe. Yes, our heart rate's up, that's a really good thing. All right, next thing we're gonna do. We're gonna do 2 times on the left and then 2 times on the right, okay? So take a little step back. Bend your knees as we squat down. So I have a close stance here, keeping my thighs parallel, and I'm sitting back and standing up. Sitting back, standing up. Jump in with me, let's go. Sit back, stand up. So my left leg's forward, my right leg is back. I'm sitting back, and I'm standing up. And when I sit back, I'm keeping my spine nice and straight. Sit back, stand up. Almost like this leg's like a little kickstand. But I'm also pushing through my left heel as I stand. Good job. Take a rest. We're gonna do that exact same thing again, okay? So, feet are close together. Take one step back. And here we go. Bending my knees, but I'm sitting back. So again from the side. Okay. If you want to add weight to this, you could always hold like a water jug. You could hold a small child. Anything you have that weighs something, right? Okay, what we're gonna do here, the last 20 seconds, we're gonna speed it up, so let's go. Really burn it out, okay? Come on. Let's go. Remember, when you feel the burn, that means the magic's happening. We want that uncomfortable burning sensation, okay? Woo. Good job. Shake it out like you're trying to shake water out of your legs. So now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, 2 times back to back, okay? So bring your feet together, little step back with the left leg, and bend. So almost think of like bringing your hips back and forward, back and forward. This first set, this first time through, let's just keep it nice and even keeled, okay? Really focusing on the form. You might hear those birds in the background. Wild parrots. I love them. They're mouthy, they're mouthy. Keep going. Good job. Okay, take a breath. We're gonna do that one more time. The last 20 seconds, the second time, we're really gonna pump it out, okay? I want you to feel that burning sensation. Okay, here we go. And rock it out. Keeping my spine nice and tall, right? I'm not crunching forward like this. Sitting back, coming forth. Good job. Pretty soon we're gonna speed it up, okay? Get ready for that. Don't shy away. When you feel the burn, I want you to tell yourself, yes, yes, I'm building muscle. And go. Come on. Hang tough. Yes. Almost there, come on. Beautiful. Shake those legs out again, like there's water in your legs. Okay, last exercise, 2 times back to back. I'm gonna come down onto the floor. I'm gonna go into what is called the tabletop position. My fingers are facing my body. So bring those hips up. One leg comes out. I'm gonna bend my elbows slightly and tap my booty down to the ground and come back up. Jump in with me. Good, so you should be feeling this in your upper back, your triceps, and your booty. Good morning, Parrots. Come on, let's go. Almost there. 10 seconds. Good job. Okay, get ready for the other side. We're just gonna do the other side and then we'll go into our cool down, okay? Don't you feel good? Whew, my heart rate's up, baby. So get ready. We're gonna start in 5 seconds. We're gonna alternate our leg now, okay? So other side. With Lift those hips up. And here we go. Bend the elbows and tap the booty down. Make sure you're not letting your shoulders come up by your ears, okay? Elbows go straight back when we bend them. So this is a great way to work out the back of your body, which is hard when you don't have weights. So working your glutes, your hamstrings, your upper back, triceps. Keep going. Almost there. 10 seconds, babies. Let's go. 5, 3, and done. Yes. Okay, take a big breath. Give yourself a little clap, and let's get into the cool down. Okay, my sweetheart, time for a cool down. This is really important. We just got into that fight or flight. Now let's get out of it, get into rest and digest, and feel amazing. So we're gonna start by sitting down. We're gonna put the bottoms of our feet together, grabbing on at the ankles. Nice big inhale, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, round your back like a cat. Tuck the chin down. Inhale, lengthen through your spine, holding onto those ankles. Exhale, round your back like a cat. Last time, nice big tall inhale. And round like a cat. So let's come back to that tall spine, and this time, pull your belly towards the ground. So imagine that you're bringing your belly closer to the ground, rather than rounding your back and bringing your face to the ground. You can even take your forearms on your shin, on your calves, and push those knees out a bit. Nice big breath here. Listen, the more you breathe, the more you'll get out of your stretching, because your body can relax, which means you're gonna sink a little bit deeper into your stretches. Let's take 2 more breaths here. Get ready for this amazing day. Listen, the way you start your day is the way you're gonna carry yourself through the day. So we wanna start with a dose of greatness, which is what you just did, my friend. Let's take those legs straight out in front of us. And listen, don't worry if there needs to be a little bend in the knees. That's okay, all right? Tall through the spine. Good job. Exhale, let's just slide a little bit forward. Let's do that again. Nice big inhale. Exhale, can you sink a little more? Again, big inhale. And on the next exhale, sinking as far into this stretch as you can. Remember, there should never be pain with stretching, okay? If there is, you need to back out a little bit. You're stretching too far into the movement. You just want to feel this nice stretch, okay? This is a good one for low back, because it gives a nice stretch down your hamstrings and your glutes, and it releases the tension in the low back. Breathing. As you take those deep breaths, you might notice, oh, I can sink a little bit more. Good job. Last stretch we're gonna do, we're gonna just take our right leg in front of us, left leg comes up and over. You might notice that your left cheek is kind of coming up off the ground. Just see if you can push that cheek a little bit closer to the ground. Again, as you breathe, you might notice you're sinking a little more into the stretch. You want to add on to this, you're going to take your right arm across the top of your left thigh and add in a slight rotation. If you breathe through the belly, that's another trick. Helps you to really relax. Good job. Let's switch sides. Right leg comes over the left. Take a couple breaths here. You want to stay here? That's awesome. You want to add in that rotation? Let's do it now. Man, I'm fired up. Don't you feel good right now? Thanks for doing this with me. Great way to start my day. Good job. Let's come out of it. Let's just sit comfortably. We're just gonna take a few breaths, okay? Really aligning yourself with being your best self today, okay? So either resting your hands on your knees or maybe a hand on the chest and a hand on the stomach. You can close your eyes or leave them open, but let's just take some nice big breaths. Big inhale through the nose and hold your breath at the top. And let it out. Let's do that again. Big inhale through the nose. Hold your breath at the top and let it out. One more time. Big inhale. Holding the breath. Let it out. Listen, so proud of you. Again, thanks for doing this with me. I love working out with you. I really can't wait to see you back here next time. But until then, be well, live your best self, and I love ya.